Hi, friends, and welcome to Math Carpet Time in the lovely, wonderful, delicious month of November. Have you thought of anything else you like to eat in November? Hmm. You know what? I was just thinking of candy corn and corn. I love corn, don't you? Absolutely. Ah, this is just that time of year when the harvesting is going on, picking all those wonderful foods that have grown all summer. I don't know about the shellfish though. Rocco really likes shellfish, but I don't know. I really didn't plant any clams to eat for this fall. Anyway, let's talk about our next number on our calendar. So yesterday we had a 5, and let's see what's on the number 6. Okay. So we started out with a rectangle, right? And then we had a triangle, and then a square, and then we had that other rectangle, and another triangle, and then a square. Now it's tipped a little bit, but friends, the tipping part doesn't matter. It's still a square. As long as it has 4 sides that are all equal, equal means the same, it's still a square. So it doesn't matter which way it's tipped. It's like if you stand on your head, are you still you? Exactly. So no matter which way it's tipped, or if it's standing on its nose or whatever, it's still a square. Okay? So it's a square. So we are kind of seeing a pattern here starting to emerge, aren't we? So we have a rectangle, a triangle, a square. Rectangle, triangle, square. Now, do you see something emerging in the color arena? Maybe. Because we do have 2 oranges, and then we have 2 reds, and then we have 2 oranges. So if this keeps going, what do you expect for tomorrow? Now, tomorrow is Saturday, but what would we expect to be there? You're thinking maybe a red. Well, we'll have to see. Now, let's see if we can figure out what's going on with these circles and ovals. So we had nothing on the first day, and then we had a circle, and then we had nothing here, and then we had an oval, and then we had nothing, and a circle. What's the pattern? Do we need maybe a couple more days to figure this one out? We just might. Okay, well, we'll give it a few more days. All right, so today is Friday, November 6th, 2020. All right, let's come on over here and talk to Rocco. Hi, Rocco. How you doing? Wonderful. Oh, you found some shellfish. Well, that's wonderful. Oh, you had a shellfish feast. Oh, well, that's excellent. Your tummy's full? I am so glad. Yeah, did you hear what Claire and Oliver are doing today? Oh, yeah, apples galore. I don't know. They're having a great time. Okay, so are you ready to count? I figured you would be. Okay, let's go ahead and count with Rocco and play the game. Here we go. You're counting with me, right? Okay, good. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, what comes after 12? 13? Okay. But what does that look like? Okay, so the first digit is a 1, and then the next digit is a 3. Okay, 13. 1 and a 3. Okay. We think it's a 1 and a 3, Rocco. Yeah, a 13. Wonderful, he says. All right. We got it. 1 and a 3. Yeah, they are pretty smart. I agree. All right, let's keep counting. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And, uh-oh, comes after 30. 31. Okay, so what does that look like? Okay, so it has a 3 and a 1. Okay, but a 13 also had a 3 and a 1. Okay, so you're saying 31 is just the same numbers, but the other way around. Okay, so 3 and then a 1. Okie dokie. All right. Rocco, a 3 and a 1, 31. Rocco says, fantabulous. All right. Thanks, Rocco. That was a nice compliment. All right. So, 31. Let's keep counting. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. What would that be? 77. Okay, but what two numbers would that be? 7. How many sevens? 2 sevens? A 7 and then a 7. Okay, 77. 7 and a 7. Okay, Rocco, we think it's 77. A 7 and then another 7. Rocco says we are so smart. All right, let's turn it around. There it is, 7 and another 7. Let's finish up. 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Wow, thanks, Rocco. You think so? Well, yeah, we're getting pretty good at this. I would agree. I know. Yeah, we are pretty smart first graders. I agree. Okay, well, we'll have to wait for Monday and find out what Rocco has up his, I don't know if it's a sleeve, paw for Monday. All right, thank you, Rocco. Thank you. All right, well, we talked about this yesterday. When we add a straw today, we have to make another bundle, don't we? Because we had 9 yesterday, and when we add one more to 9, how many do we have? Absolutely, we have 10. So we have a bundle of 10. I will put the rubber band around there, make a bundle of 10. There we go. And now it has to go over here. So these don't work anymore. And we need some new cards. Okay, so how many bundles of 10 do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 bundles of 10. And then we don't have any ones here, right? Absolutely. So it's 0. So we made 4 and a 0. So how many would that be? Okay, let's double check that with the counting the numbers. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40. Huh? How about that? You were right. 40. Very nice. Now, friends, Oliver and Clara are making one enormous mess down here. The apple feast is going gangbusters. Let's take a look. Clara and Oliver, are you eating them or are you counting them? My goodness, you have them all over. Oh, you're eating and counting at the same time. How's that working for you? I didn't think so. They're saying not well. Do you need some help maybe? Okay, I think we'd better help them out here a little bit. Oliver, you have them stuck all over you. Oh, owls attract apples. Really? I did not know. Did you know that? I did not know that. Okay. Oh, especially camera owls. Oh, okay. Well, I guess camera owls attract apples. Huh. Did not know that. Okay. Clara, you have them on your, oh my goodness, on your armpit and underneath and on your hoof and my word. I just don't know. Look at this mess. All right. Okay, you two. So how about if we count them first and then we'll eat them? Okay, perfect. All right, so let's take a look. Oliver, I just thought of something. If you're down here, who's filming? Oh, a surprise guest. Oh, okay. Well, all right. We'll have to meet them later. Okay. A hint. Okay. It lives in the ocean. Okay. In the ocean. And it goes with peanut butter? It lives in the ocean and it goes with peanut butter. I don't know. Okay, we'll just have to meet them later. Okay, so should we count these by fives again? Okay, let's do that because that really worked out well yesterday. So we'll put these in groups of 5. Now, when we're counting by fives, we have to make sure that each time we make a group, there's 5 in the group. Okay? So I'm carefully counting out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this group. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that group. So each group has to have 5. Okay? So I'm working on it to make 5 in each group. Okay. Oops, I almost had 6 in that one. That one won't do, will it? We have to make sure we have 5 in each group. Okay. Oops, not 6. 5 in each group. And if you're counting something like if you're counting your Legos or if you're counting something at home, and there's a lot of them, you can do this too. You can put them in piles of 5, and it really helps with accounting. Okay. All right, here we go. All right, oh wow. So we have lots of piles of 5. We aren't missing any here. Oh, Clara, there was an extra one underneath you. All right, just had to make sure. Okay, there. Phew, all right, so well, look at this. We can count these in maybe a couple different ways. We can count them by 5s, and then we could put them together and make groups of 10, couldn't we? Yeah, we could. All right, so let's count by 5s first. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Huh, wow, 75, that's a lot. Okay, so we can also do this by putting the 5s together. So 5 and 5 make 10, right? So there's a group of 10. There's a group of 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10. And then this group of 5 just has to stay by itself. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 10. Let's write that down. 7 groups of 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left over. Okay? So we made a good number, didn't we? We made that number. So let's count this by 10s now and make sure it's the same number. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 75, a 7 and a 5. So no matter whether we count by 5s or by 10s, we get the same number, don't we? Pretty cool how numbers work, isn't it? All right, you two, you can, well, you know what? Let's do this. Let's do flash math, and then you can eat the apples. Okay. All right, so Clara picked out a really great one today for flash math. And it's really great because it has some patterns to it. Now think again, is this more than 5, fewer than 5? More than 10, fewer than 10? All right, so take a look. Okay, so right away, can you tell if it's more than 5? Okay, so you're thinking it's more than 5. Is it more than 10? Close, huh? Close? All right, do you want another peek? All right, let's take another peek. Oh, interesting groups, isn't it? Yes. All right, so those groups can help our brain, can't they? Let's take a look. All right, so we have 3 here, 3 here, and 3 there. Oh, that's kind of like that pattern we had yesterday, except they were closer together. Okay, so we have 3, 3, and 3 again. 3 and 3 make 6, right? 3 plus 3 is 6. And then we could just count on for the rest. 7, 8, 9, right? So it's 9 dots. Or you might know that 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. Or you might see this kind of like we did yesterday. Remember that one yesterday? It was 3 lines of 3, which was 9 as well. Kind of cool, isn't it? All right. Nice counting today. Good job, everybody. Well, Oliver and Clara and Rocco and our new friend, who is our new camera person. Oh, you want to wave to us? Yeah, can you wave in the camera? Oh, there we go. Our new camera, our new camera jelly? Wow. I'll wish you a very happy counting day.